morning. Welcome to another edition of John and David's Outdoor Adventures. Our next big ATV ride, we're heading up to Sawmill Canyon. That's on the Lemhi Range. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. We're here at the awesome new Love's Travel Center, gassing up because, it's about a 2.5 hour drive up there. So we're gonna get some gas. We're gonna get a little McDonald's, and we're gonna go riding. What do you think, John?
Sweet!
Yeah, should be a good ride. This is one of those rides where you definitely want to take along a second person because it is way up in the mountains. It is very remote, and it's just a lot safer that way. So should be a lot of fun. A lot of old mines, cabins, just all kinds of crap. So we're gonna go check it out. Morning. Super moon.
Blue canary in the owl about a light switch. Who watches over you? Think a little birdhouse in your soul, not to put too fine a point on it. Say I'm the only bee in your bonnet. Make a little birdhouse in your soul.
Alright, so here we are in Sawmill Canyon, and this is actually Squaw Creek, which takes you up into the mountains, and that's where we're headed. Now today we're going to be testing out another new piece of equipment, our new GoPro Hero 3. We're going to be using this, and we still have the GoPro from Chris McDaniel that we borrowed, so we'll be running two of those today. As you can see, it's mounted to my helmet. Hopefully it stays on there. So we'll see what happens. It's going to be a fun ride. So we are heading up Squaw Creek in the Sawmill Canyon area, and again, very, very rough road. This is ATV motorcycle for sure. But this is the kind of stuff that you're going to see all day long. This is actually one of the worst cabins. A lot of the other ones are in a lot better shape, but this stuff is just all over the mountain. This whole mountain used to be mined way back in the day.
snowdrift. Obviously we can't go that way, but what we're going to do is we're going to double back over there, and we're going to come around, and we will eventually end up on that trail over on the other side of the canyon.
He's got no other place to go. Yellow snow, yellow snow, yellow snow.
Yeah, I got stuck in the snow, and tell you what, when you're ATVing, be really careful of snow because it's really easy to get stuck. And you know, here's the funny thing, people laugh at me about all the crap I carry in all my bags. Well, I carry a tow rope and all the hitch ups, and as you can see, we needed it today so that John could pull out the ATV. All I'm saying is kiss my ass.
So apparently we already have an injury. Luckily, Dave brought his handy dandy first aid kit. As you can see, it's pretty serious. There's some blood there. I'll zoom in so you can see it.
Better put on a tourniquet!
If the tourniquet doesn't work, we might have to amputate. Now, the most important thing to remember at a time like this, if you're ever in this situation,
Don't panic!
you know,
Fixed it!
I fell into your ATV.
Don't touch my four-wheeler.
Too late.
Don't tell me what to do.
Pretty sure I've never been up here. I would have remembered this. Yeah.
You know where we are?
No clue where we are.
I don't know either.
Well, after turning around about 7-8 times or so, we finally think we're on the right trail. We think we're finally going to get to the top of, what is it?
Lemhi Summit.
Lemhi Summit. We're going to find out.
All right, so John and I made it up here, Lemhi Pass, and once again, this is the really cool thing about this. If you make it up this far, you can stand on the mountain, look over to the east, and you can see the Salmon River Highway. Well, it's really the Salmon Highway, running right up the valley. And then if you turn around to the west, you can see the Passamaroy Range, and of course you've got Mount Bohr and all that over there on the other side. And then we're on the Lemhi Range right in the middle. So you've got the two valleys, and you can stand here and see it all. It's just impressive. Well worth the ride.
So our trail didn't work. We actually got stuck on the side of a mountain and had to turn around. So we're back here again at this junction for the 4th time. And we're going to go ahead and take this road over here, which will take us down into the valley, which is where we wanted to get to begin with. How the hell we did it, but we went down that trail there and somehow we came from over there, but at least we know where we are.
Is this the 6th time we've been here?
Yeah. Nice view though. I'm hungry.
Let's eat.
To the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. Moving to the country, I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. Peaches come from a can, they were put there by a man in a factory downtown. If I had my little way, I'd eat peaches every day. Sun-soaking bulges in the shade. Moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. Moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. Moving to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches. Moving to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches. I took a little nap with a loose old twist, squished a rotten peach in my fist, and dreamed about you, woman.